In this tutorial, we'll show you how to set up a bill of material. We're going to go to Manufacturing, Product Design, and Production BOM. We'll hit F3 for a new card. We will go ahead and give it a number. Your number is going to want to correspond to an actual finished good number that you've already set up in inventory. So your number, again, if it's a F number, that's the same number that you're going to want to put here. The description is going to be the same description that you give it in your inventory as well. So even though that these are tests, please don't deviate from those. Again, you want your finished item number, your finished item description. Unit of measure, you can select any of these from the list, whichever makes sense, whether you're building an each, whether you're building a case, whatever it might be. So go ahead and select the appropriate unit of measure. Our status will default to new when we're building this up, so we're going to want to leave it as new for a little while. Version numbers we don't use, so you should probably be able to leave that blank. From there, we simply want to set up the raw items that it takes to build this. So we'll just go ahead and select a few. Variant code you're probably not going to be using, so you can skip over that. Quantity per, how many of these in here, our unit of measure is 24. How many cases of 24 does it take to actually build our each on our finish? So let's say it's 2. Scrap percentage we probably won't be using. Again, up here, if you want to hide columns, you can simply right click and hide it. And then our routing link code, that's something again that you're never going to use. If there's more than one item that we select on here, we can go ahead and select our second item, and let's say we use one of those. These are the only 2 items on our bill of material, and we're done. To go ahead and actually use this bill of material, I want to go back up to my status now, and I want to change this to certified. Once this is in a certified status, somebody can actually use it. They can enter a work order for it. If I ever need to go back here and make changes to this, I need to come back to the status and change this to under development. When I do that, that suspends any use of this particular bill of material. I can make whatever changes that I want. When I'm done, I need to come back up and certify that. Last thing you need to do on your item card is you need to go to the planning tab, the replenishment tab, and I need to assign this to my item card. So in this case, I'm assigning this to test 3, and my production bill of material is test BOM. If we go through, and I just want to show you some of these that are already set up on existing products. Let's try to find one here. We can see our item number here, this 3837. When I go to my replenishment, my production bill of material is 3837. So again, we want to make sure that that number and this number are the same when we're setting up bill of materials.